With real-life simulations, automatically graded projects, and a new, easy-to-navigate design, MyLab IT NextGen gives you the tools to master Microsoft 365 applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Access. When you log in, you'll arrive at the course home. This is your main dashboard where you can easily find all your course materials, check to see when assignments are due, or just see how you're doing in the class. Your course info all in one place so you can spend less time searching and more time studying. You can easily find the assignments for your course by selecting the Assignments tab. Select any assignment from the list to start or continue working. MyLab IT NextGen combines real-life office tasks and simulations with automatically graded projects. These assignments help test your skills and make sure you're learning by practicing real-world problems. As you finish your assignments, go to the Results tab to see how you're doing. You'll get detailed feedback that shows where you're doing well and what you might need to work on so you always know what to focus on next. You can change the View filter from past 2 weeks to entire course to date to view a list of all your MyLab results for your course. You also have the Multimedia Library. The Multimedia Library makes it easy to find all the resources available for your course in one place, like PowerPoints, maps, or even videos. And don't forget the Pearson eTextbook. Selecting the Pearson eTextbook tab gives you access to a digital version of your course text. Download the Pearson Plus app to take your eTextbook on the go or even read it offline. For more info on how to use MyLab IT NextGen, check out the help page linked in the description.